Hi, I'm Aeru. Today, I'll tell you about Japanese greetings. Greeting is very important to communicate with others. So let's start. In the morning, we say Ohayo. Politely, Ohayo gozaimasu. We use this word in the house, in school, workplace, and so on. This word is very useful. In the daytime, we say konnichiwa. Politely, it's also saying konnichiwa. So it's very easy to memorize. Nighttime, we say konbanwa, and politely saying konbanwa. Do you understand? So let's proceed. If we say greeting word, the reply is also greeting word. For example, Ohayo, and reply is Ohayo, like that. After that word, if we want to say how are you in Japanese, genki, politely genki desu ka? If we reply I'm fine in Japanese, genki, politely genki desu. If we are sleepy, we say nemui, politely nemui desu. You may notice Japanese language usually lose subject. It means we don't say watashi wa nemui desu or watashi wa genki desu. Instead of that, we say nemui or genki. That is simple. As a reply, we say yokatta or politely yokatta desu or naruhodo, politely naruhodo desu. Thank you for watching. I hope you can learn something from my video. See you soon. If we reply 間違えた